Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's Peugeot in Taunton, and I'm going to show you around this 5008 SUV in the Allure specification. So this is a 7-seater that's packed full of features. Outside of the car you've got 18-inch alloy wheels, tinted rear windows, front and rear parking sensors with a 180-degree reversing camera. There's also blind spot detection and speed limit recognition. Inside of the car you've got the touchscreen that comes with sat-nav, DAB digital radio, as well as Apple CarPlay, Android Auto and Bluetooth connectivity. You can customise the 12-inch digital head-up display, and there's also dual-zone air conditioning and cruise control. So let's have a look around. If this car is of interest to you, then please get in contact with us at Howard's Peugeot in Taunton. Thank you.